Hello, viewers, more than viewers. My name is Siddhi and welcome back to my channel in Knowledge with Fun. So you're most welcome in coding class by Siddhi. So we'll be learning the game development. So game development requires what? It requires the base plan and the respective coding and designing. So what do we mean by base plan? Base plan is the base structure of it, basic structure of the game. Like what, like how will a player win the game? How will she lose the game? So this all comes under base plan. And then we come up to respective coding. So, what do we mean by respective coding? It means to basically execute, to basically implement the base plan. Like whatever the base structure is going to be, you're going to code it and make it implement. Okay, make it executed, right? So that's what respective coding means, right? Yes, and then comes the most important part, designing. Most important, not like that, most important, which actually helps us, which actually helps our game to, be widespread, to be popular. So that part comes, so that is actually designing. So it is like to, make it beautiful, to make it attractive, to add buttons, to add overlays, and to add lots of formattings, right? So that is what designing is, right? So when we actually base plan, for the first step is basically base plan, and then comes respective coding, then comes designing, right? So you should be very creative about designing, like how to make your game present. Like in Free Fire you got that start button and everything, start screen, everything is so so much marvelous, so mesmerizing, right? So the graphics are so good, that actually comes under the designing part. Okay, yeah, now let's learn base plan in detail. Yeah, so base plan comprises the structure, idea, and the required logic of the game. That is what to do in it, and how to win the game, and how to lose it. That's what I told you right now. Okay, so this all comes under base plan category. Okay, yeah, I'll show you in a short time. I'll actually show you the base plan of my game, which I'm going to create in my next coming video. Okay, so now let's proceed. So now our next step is respective coding. Okay, so it is basically like according to your base structure, you need to code, okay, to make it implement, to make it execute, right? So that's actually what respective coding means. Okay, we can code through we can code as text based or block based. Block based is when you simply drag and drop, and text based is when you write. Now comes designing. Designing comprises to set up background and things which make a game look effective and presentable. Designing is the most important part, because of which we can set up a product in a niche market, right? So it is basically as you know that we set the background, the themes, the graphics, and everything. Okay, it makes a game look attractive, and because of it only we can present a game like in a high level, in a high market, a business class market. So now there comes a quiz for you all. You need to answer along with me. So the question is, there are dash steps in game development. How many steps are there in game development? Yes, count and start. 1, 2, and 3. All of you, please comment down your answers. And okay, so now let's move to the next question. Yes, so now we are going to do the second question, which is the last step of gaming. What is it? Yes, 1, 2, and 3. Yes, you got that right. It is designing. Yes, so now we are going to do the base plan. I'm going to tell you. So I've written Star in Snare Game, which is its name. And now I'm going to draw a participant towards the left side of the screen, and it will only move up and down. Okay, with the arrow keys. Right, we don't want it to move forward or backward. Now we want the right side of the screen में there should be a star जिनको हम collect करके we'll score points. Got it? Yeah, and this star will move from right to left part of the screen, and then जब वो screen से बाहर निकल जाए, then it will again come in the right part of the screen. Okay, so this is what it is going to be, right? And ये इसी में loop होता रहे, means it will continue like this. Now the second step is to abhi after this all, we want कि there should be a monster also, means an obstacle. बिना obstacle के क्या game complete होता है? Do you find any game in which there is no obstacle? Even in every game there is one obstacle at least, okay, which prevents us to score points. वरना game क्या हुआ? Game is actually, it should have some, that only we are going to have right now. Okay, so in this star incident game, we have taken the theme as stars, right? We have taken the theme as space. So we want that there should be star, astronaut, and I think alien will look quite good in this theme. Or you can even select monster if you want. Okay, so what will it do is that monster will also be and at the right side of the screen, and it will also move from right to left, and then it will again come on the right part of the screen. Okay, so this is how the game should be. So we want कि participant ऊपर नीचे move करे, and star and the monster should move right to left and then again right. Okay, yeah, so this is what it is. And before it हम चाहते एक screen आए जिस पे पूरा name लिखा हो and एक button हो जिसको हम click करें पहले, and then we begin with our game. Okay, हमारी जो बैकग्राउंड होगी वो पीछे वो भी मूव करनी चाहिए. ओके, इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट ऑल दिस कि हम कैसे करेंगे. Okay, so for that you need to stay tuned with us, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share this video among all your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.